In this video, we are going to check out how to use and access the Bridges Math apps. The math apps tie to the Bridges Math curriculum and are great for grades K through 5. They are awesome for math practice with different concepts, some specific like fractions and reading a clock. Some are more general and open practice like with the pattern shapes that we're going to open up here. These math apps don't necessarily tie to a lesson or have step-by-step tutorials, so they may be good to go along with a math discussion that you have with your students, or they're good for open-ended practice to reinforce math concepts. And some of them are just engaging and fun to go along with math concepts like pattern shapes or Geoboard, which we're going to open in a second. So below, when you first open the math apps, there's some app features. They kind of explain what's in the app, and they do have some images that show what you can do in that app. So in Geoboard, another nice one to have some imagination with math concepts where they can create using those math skills and concepts. So just like using pattern shapes and geoboards physically in the class, they can now use them digitally in these math apps. So it's nice that they don't have to have access to the physical pieces that they would in the class. They can use the apps and reinforce the same concepts. So again, below the app, it will tell you what they can do in the app and give you some extra information. Now, one of the apps that does have some pieces that have more information is the vocabulary cards. So in the vocabulary cards, there's it's like flashcards. Students can go through and look at the information and then guess what the vocabulary word is. You can change grade level and change the topic of the cards as they're going through on the left side. And so this is a nice vocabulary practice for math. So there's some great math apps here in Bridges that tie to the curriculum that they have been working on in class that you can check out in the Bridges Math Apps program, and check those pieces out right here on that website.